bienvenue à notre 4e épisode de Apprenons le français. Cette fois-ci, nous allons voir le texte La méchante fille, The Wicked Girl. Welcome everyone to the 4th episode of Let's Learn French, Apprenons le français. Today we'll be looking at the text The Wicked Girl. Now, let's jump straight into our lesson structure today. Tapons la structure de la leçon. Donc, on va voir l'expression du jour, daily French expression. Daily French expression, whatever. Then we'll do reading and analysis. On va faire la lecture et l'analyse. Notre texte aujourd'hui, c'est La méchante fille. Page 38, Joe Didier Series, édition 2019. Oui. Et puis, on va faire le vocabulaire, le vocabulaire, les expressions, et puis la conclusion. Let's jump straight into it, guys, with expression du jour. Expression du jour today is I don't understand. Je ne comprends pas. Let's break this down. Je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. It's not je ne comprends pas. No. Comprends pas. Comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. The E, when you're saying it a certain way, the E becomes somewhat silent. Je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. So someone says something that sounds a bit weird in your ears, you want the person to repeat it or to make themselves clear, or you genuinely didn't understand. Excusez-moi, mais je ne comprends pas. Mais means but. M-I-E-S. M-A-I-S. M-I-E-S means but in French. So, excusez-moi, pardon monsieur, mais je ne comprends pas. Pardon mademoiselle, je ne comprends pas. Vous dites quoi? What are you saying? Vous dites quoi? Yeah, then we all know that French, no, maybe kind. We are going somewhere. We are looking good. It's not everything you hear every 3 seconds. You don't understand. Oui. No, it's not good. Be focused. Raise the bar. Increase the level. Broaden the horizon. Allons-y à notre texte du jour. La méchante fille. Pardon the image quality. I'll get better equipment soon, so we'll get somewhere. But, je vais faire la lecture 2 fois et puis on va procéder avec l'analyse. C'est midi, tout le monde dort. Mais Ali est dans le jardin. Il lit son livre et écoute la chanson des oiseaux. Après quelques minutes, sa sœur Rama arrive du marché. Elle voit Ali dans le jardin, mais Ali ne la voit pas. Il continue à lire. Elle entre dans le jardin en silence. Elle se cache derrière un arbre et elle a un sac. Elle prend du sac un serpent poupée qu'elle a acheté au marché. Elle met le serpent poupée sur la tête d'Ali, mais le poupée tombe devant Ali. Il a peur. Il crie, il saute et commence à courir vers la maison. Rama rit et appelle son frère. Mais Ali continue à courir. Il a toujours peur. Rama n'est pas du tout gentil. Je vais lire une 2e fois. C'est midi, tout le monde dort. Mais Ali est dans le jardin. Il lit son livre et écoute la chanson des oiseaux. Après quelques minutes, sa sœur Rama arrive du marché. Elle voit Ali dans le jardin, mais Ali ne la voit pas. Il continue à lire. Elle entre dans le jardin en silence. Elle se cache derrière un arbre. Elle a un sac. Elle prend du sac un beau serpent poupée qu'elle a acheté au marché. Elle met le serpent poupée sur la tête d'Ali, mais la poupée tombe devant Ali. Il a peur. Il crie, il saute et commence à courir vers la maison. Rama rit et appelle son frère, mais Ali continue à courir. Il a toujours peur. Rama n'est pas du tout gentil. So, la méchante fille, as you correctly guessed, means the wicked girl. Yes, and we're about to find why the expression for the girl in the story is the descriptive term employed here is wicked. We're about to find out. So it's midday, and I'm explaining the text here, so you might want to listen in. So the text says, it's midday, everyone is sleepy, But Ali is in the garden and he's reading his book, he's listening to the birds sing. After a few minutes, Rama, his sister, returns from the market. She sees Ali in the garden, but Ali doesn't see her. He continues reading. Now she enters into the garden quietly. Hiding behind the tree, she opens her bag and takes out how do you say serpent, a toy snake which she bought in the market. Now she puts that, what do you call it, that toy snake on Ali's head, but the toy snake fell in front of Ali. Ali became so afraid. The guy shouted and jumped and started running full speed towards the house, and Rama was there in the corner laughing and was calling Ali. But Ali didn't listen. Ali was still running, was still scared, and the text ends by saying Rama is not kind at all. Now let's see what we can pick over here. Let's see. Il dit tout le monde dort, mais Ali est dans le jardin. In the last lesson, that was episode 3, we saw the term mais, M-A-I-S. I think we even said it today. Yeah, we even said it today. Yeah, mais, but. Il lit son livre, il écoute la chanson des oiseaux. Chanson, the word chanson, la chanson means song. So, bird song, chanson des oiseaux. We've seen the expression après already. I think we saw it in episode 2, which means après, after. Après is after, yeah. So, le marché stands for the market. Elle entre dans le jardin en silence, elle se cache derrière un arbre. Oui. Elle a acheté. When you see something like that, you should know immediately that they're talking about the past. But let me not get too much into the grammar side of things. That time will come. We are not there. Okay, but if I look at this, there's really not that much I can say. There's not that much I can say. So let's go straight to the next section. Vocabulaire et expression. Midi stands for midday. Midi. Jardin. Garden. Jardin. Oiseau. 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 Bird. Un oiseau. Voilà. Le marché, as we said, market, lire, to read. Il dort, dormir, he sleeps. So the word dormir stands for to sleep. Il dort, he sleeps. Voir means to see. Ali voit means Ali sees. Un arbre, a tree. Une poupée is a toy. Prendre means to take. Elle prend means she takes. Il a peur. He is afraid. So if I'm going to say I am afraid, that means j'ai peur. You are afraid. Tu as peur. The A is A-S. Il a peur. We are afraid. Nous avons peur. You, all of you are afraid. Vous avez peur. They are afraid. Ils ont peur. Or if they are all females, elles ont peur. But we'll come to that later. The expression avoir peur and how you use it. We'll get there. Crier means to cry or to shout. Il crie, he cries or he shouts. Commencer means to start. The term gentil. Please note the spellings. If it's elle, that's female, you put L-E à la fin. Il est gentil. Elle est gentille. Ouais, on a vu tout ce qu'on a à voir dans ce texte. La méchante fille, c'est un texte très intéressant. I had fun here and I hope you did. Please keep the messages coming in. Keep hitting the comment section. And as usual, stay awesome. I'm going to check out of here. I'm going to say au revoir. Ciao. Arrivederci. A plus.